Brushing alone is not enough. Even if you use a high-end electric toothbrush, you still need to floss. Waterpik Complete Care puts you in control by combining water flossing and electric toothbrush technologies, providing all your brushing and flossing needs in one convenient, easy-to-use, and clinically proven device. In recent clinical studies, Waterpik Complete Care was up to 50% more effective for improving gum health versus string floss, and removed up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas. Waterpik Complete Care is available in several different models and colors. Each features an assortment of flossing tips, 90 seconds of water capacity, 10 water pressure settings, and requires only one outlet. The difference between the models is the toothbrush. Choose Complete Care 5.0 for the triple sonic toothbrush, which features 3 modes: clean, whiten, and massage. Or choose Complete Care 5.5 if you prefer the rotating action of the triple clean oscillating toothbrush, which features 2 speeds and a massage mode. Both toothbrushes feature a 2-minute timer and a pacer that pauses briefly every 30 seconds to signal when to move to the next area of your mouth. They also include multiple brush heads, a premium travel case, and a rechargeable battery, which automatically charges when stored in the convenient inductive charging base. A recharge indicator light lets you know the battery level at a glance. So why just brush when you can have Complete Care? All your brushing and flossing needs in one convenient and space-saving device.
The Waterpik Water Flosser is the easy and more effective way to clean between teeth, and is clinically proven to be more effective than air flossing, interdental brushing and string flossing for removing plaque and improving gum health. Before using your new cordless advanced water flosser, you'll need to charge the unit. Place the magnetic charger on the front of the unit, and your cordless advance will rapidly charge and be ready to use within 4 hours. After the unit is fully charged, fill the reservoir with warm water. Next, select the tip that is right for you. The Waterpik Water Flosser removes up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas. Our orthodontic tip is perfect for cleaning around braces. Our Plaque Seeker tip is great for implants, crowns, bridges and retainers. And our classic jet tip is best for general use. Next, insert a tip firmly until it clicks into place. To remove or change the tip, press the eject button located on the top of the water flosser. Next, press the mode button to adjust the water pressure. Start with the lowest setting and increase to your liking. To begin water flossing, place the tip in your mouth, lean over the sink and turn the unit on. As you floss, close your lips enough to prevent splashing, while still allowing the water to flow from your mouth into the sink. To avoid mess, don't look into the mirror while water flossing, look into the sink. For best results, aim the tip at the gum line at a 90-degree angle. Starting with the back teeth, follow the gum line and pause briefly between teeth. After completing the front and back, clean the bottom teeth in the same way. The cordless advanced water flosser is waterproof, so it may be used in the shower. A water plug is included to prevent leakage during transport, and a travel bag is included for added convenience. All it takes is a minute a day to get healthier gums, brighter teeth and fresher breath.
When I was trying to help her get her health to the next level, I was just going to focus on consistency. And then there were a few spots in her mouth that needed a little more attention. When you just focus the stream of water on the correct area, it immediately cleans it. In her case, a few small tweaks got her much healthier in those areas.
I feel like I am in control of my oral health now, and before I didn't feel like I was. So that's been a huge change for me, and I feel confident in my teeth and my gum health, and that I am taking care of my teeth in the way that my dentist would be proud of.